Hey guys, hope you are doing well. My name is Mohammad Danish and we are back with another weekly analysis. And in this week we are going to cover same pair, gold, US30 and NASDAQ. And we'll discuss what we predicted last week and how the market behaved. So let's dive into the charts and see what we have for this week as well. So let's start with the recap of the last week, and here we have the gold H4 chart which we used for the last week analysis. And I need to admit, like, I was 100% wrong in the gold analysis, and it is okay to be wrong in the financial market because no one is perfect in the financial market. And what I analyzed last week, like I was expecting like gold will hold this level 2630 and will go bearish as a retracement. Why I was so confident? Because the gold was too much bullish in the last couple of weeks, so I was expecting some retracement, and with this retracement we can catch some sort of sell move. But as I said, I was 100% wrong, and it is okay to be wrong and need to be accept that I am wrong. So the good thing is there was no confirmation, no selling point, so I did not take any sort of trade. I am able to take only one trade. As I said, like we need to be reactive in the market. So this trade I have shared with my Discord community as well. So I have taken a buy around this level 2626. When this candle close as a bullish candle and next candle come down to retest this level. So here I have taken a trade 26, and I have got almost 100 plus pip here, and I have closed the trade around 2638, and then market break this level and all the way go up. Other than that, I am unable to take any sort of trade. For me it was a very slow week, so this was the only trade I have taken in the gold and have shared with the complete detail with the community as well. So this is all we have for gold, and let's move to the next pair is US30. So US30, we were almost right what we predicted. So we discussed this was the level 200. Once price break this level, we can look for buy option and price can go up. And in the downside, once price break this level 49,900, we can look for sell option. So personally, I take the trade around 200 level on the last week and catch almost 100 pips. And this was the only trade I have taken in the last week. And other than that, US30 was the perfect prediction and go according to our plan. So this is all we have for US30 as per last week recap. And then the last pair is NASDAQ. So this is the same chart we used for the NASDAQ. So we predicted like once market break this level in the high side, we can look for buy option. So you see price perfectly break this level, this candle close above this level, and the next candle a bit retracement and then close as a bullish. You can look for buy once this candle close and then all the way up. It was almost like, you can say it was almost like 300 pip move. So other than gold, NASDAQ and US30 was according to what we predicted. So this is all we have as a recap of the last week. So let's move to the forecast for the next week. Here we have the gold H4 chart. Let's draw some level first and then discuss further. So here we have the gold first level where price is currently hovering around it, and then in the downside we can cover this area, and we need to cover this area as well, and further downside I would only cover this zone. So as of now, price is currently respecting this level. This is a sort of daily level as well, and also the H4 level. Also, we need to keep in mind the Monday would be the last day of the month, and the whole month price was very much bullish. So maybe price can retrace a bit down as well. So we need to be very careful when it comes to the last day of the month. And let me draw one more level in the higher side as well. So here we have the level, and as per minor side, this could be good level as well. So if price respect this level, price can come to retest this level easily 2650, and if price respect this level, we can follow the price action with H1 time frame and can look for buy option and target this area. But if price break this level, so this is a very make or break level. So as you see, price was hovering this level and tested this level 1, 2, almost 3, 4 times, and all the time it may spike down, but it always respect this level. So we need to be very careful around this level now. So maybe if price come down again and break this level, then we can get easy move in the downside, and price can easily test this level as well, 26.24, and this could be the very good buy level from my perspective. Even though price once come to test this level, it is just a difference between, this is like 26.22 and in the downside 26.15 or 16. Price may spike down as well, so we need to be very careful. Once we see some sort of bullish momentum here, we can look for buy option and target this area 26.50. Also we need to keep in mind, like next week we have a lot of fundamentals as well, like NFP, there's a lot of fundamental, and ADP news as well. So we need to keep in mind, like if data comes out negative, so price may spike down to these levels and go all the way bullish. But if data comes out positive, then we may see the bearish momentum in the gold. And what we discussed in the last week, we expecting retracement, so we may see this is retracement in the next week. So this is the same, like price can come down to this level, and these are our buy levels. And also if price break this level 26.50, we can look for sell option and target these areas, because in the downside, if price break this level, in the downside we have very much clean traffic, and I don't see any sort of hurdle. Once price break this level, we can easily hit this target. And in the long run, this 26.15 or even 2600 would be the make or break level. If somehow price break this level with NFP, and it is very much possible, normally you see, if you follow the NFP last couple of months, so we see very big movements in the NFP. If price somehow break this level, we can look for sell option as well as a swing trade option to this level as well. But overall price is very much bullish, so we need to wait price come to our levels, and then we could look for buy options. And where price is currently hovering, if price break this level, then we can look for sell option as well. So both the options we have it for this week. I want to see how the market present the price action for us, and then we need to decide accordingly. As I already share my own all analysis day-to-day based on Discord, so you can join there and enjoy all those analysis there as well. Normally I will be there during the NY session. So this is all we have for the gold. Next pair we have is US30. So US30, let's draw some level. This is H4 chart of US30. So US30, this is the good level which price break last week. And in the downside we have this level. It is very easy for the US30, like price come to this level, we can look for buy option and target this. First target should be 42,406, and the main target should be 42,000, this one. So it would be the very good move if price respect this level. On the other side, as I said, last day of the month would be Monday, and also we have a lot of fundamental in the next week. So if price break this level, we look to catch this move, and this is also very good move in the downside, like this is 42,200 and all the way down to 400 pips. So US30 is presenting very easy pattern to trade. So we have very clean traffic in the downside, and we have very clean traffic in the upside. So this is a sort of level, 42,200 would be the make or break level. So if price respect this level, we can look for buy. If price break this level, then it would be easy trade to look for sell and target this area. And in the downside, you see there's no hurdle, and price can easily hit this level as well. And even if you see the further down movement, this level is also very easy to trade. Like if price break this level, then we can further look for sell option here as well. So it is a waiting game. You need to let the price come to your levels, and once price come to your level, you need to follow the price action in the H1, even M30 for US30, and see how the market presenting you the candles or price action, then follow accordingly. But these are the good buy levels, and also once it breaks, it could be good sell levels as well. So this is all we have for US30. Let's move to the next pair, which is NASDAQ. So here we have NASDAQ H4 level, H4 chart, and this is the first sort of level. And in the downside, I would recommend this zone only. This is the zone. And even further downside, we have this level. It is almost the same sort of level what we see in the US30, even though the price is a bit choppy in the downside. But I would say currently the price where is hovering around 19,000, almost 20,000. So this is a kind of a good level. We can look for buy option if price presents some sort of bullish momentum here. So we can look for buy option here and target this zone. So this would be the good move initial part of the week. This could be our target. But on the other side, if price break this zone in the downside, it would be a bit choppy, but we can look for sell option here as well and be optimistic. Like once price break this level, it can easily be down and hit this level 19,700, and this would be the, I would say, the good trade level in terms of buy and even the sell side. So if price respect this level, we can again look for buy option here to target this zone. But if price break this level, this would be the very good trade. And because in the downside we have very much clean traffic. You see there's a 1 2 3 candles and price all the way bullish. So I expecting like once price break this zone, and we can look for sell option and target this zone. US30, gold and NASDAQ, they all present the very good structure in terms of trade. The candles are very clean in the upside and the downside. So let's see how the market behave. We discuss all the levels where we can look for buy option and where we can look for sell option. It is all about the waiting game. We need to wait and let the price come to our levels, and then we will look for trade option accordingly. So this is all we have for all three pairs. And also, as we discussed many times, we have the Discord community. There is no premium subscription, no selling courses, no paid signals. I mostly be there around NY session, and normally I share my all day-to-day based trade ideas there. All welcome to join there, and hopefully you enjoy our weekly analysis as well. So have a great day and have a great weekend. Thank you so much.